ఓం శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః. శ్రీమన్నారాయణీయం. ఓం శ్రీ కృష్ణాయ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. దశకం 56. కాళీయ మర్దనే భగవదనుగ్రహ వర్ణనం. The Lord blesses Kaliya. This Dashaka contains a summary of Bhagavatam, Skanda 10, Chapter 16, verses 27 to 67, and Chapter 17, verses 20 to 25. Shloka 1. Ruchirakampitakundalamandalah Suchirameshananartitha pannage Amarataditadundubhisundaram Viyati gayati daivata yauvate. We'll see the word by word meaning. Hey Isha, O Lord, Viyati, in the sky. Daivata yauvate. It breaks up as Yauvatam, a group of young women. Yuvatinam samuhaha. When the celestial damsels Amaratadita Dundubhi Sundaram, it breaks up as Amaraihi, by the gods, Taditaha, beaten, Dundubayaha, drums, along with the sweet sound of the beating of drums by the gods. Gayati, were singing. Ruchira Kampita Kundala Mandalam, it breaks up as Ruchiram, beautifully, Kampitam, quivering, Kundala Mandalam, the earrings, with the earrings quivering in a beautiful manner. Pannage, on the serpent. Suchiram, for a long time. Nanartitha, thou didst dance. We'll see the full meaning. O Lord, thou didst dance on Kaliya for a long time, with thy earrings quivering in a charming manner while in the sky. The celestial damsels sang to the accompaniment of the sweet sound of the beating of the drums by the gods. Om Tat Sat.